a friend of mine taught me something new, that I could actually use an air fryer to grill my sweet corn. It's usually too sweet, and if you want to have a better experience, instead of boiling it, you should use an air fryer to give you something new, new taste. Okay, today I decided to try it. So I broke it in pieces to fit into the air fryer well, then set it to 10 minutes. So I'll be grilling in 10 minutes for each side. Then we wait for the 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this was the result for one side. So afterwards, I turned it to the other side that's not yet cooked. So I picked all of them, then pushed it back to the air fryer for another 10 minutes. So after the last 10 minutes, I brought it out, and this is what it looked like. What do you think? Well, I think it grilled well. So it's left for you to also try it. I've tried it and I tested it. It was nice. So will you try it? Try it and let me know how your one turned out in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Follow us for more.